How to remove payment methods from Google account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google and search myaccount.google.com. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on Payment and Subscriptions. After you click on Payment and Subscription, click on Manage Payment Methods. After you've clicked on Manage Payment Methods, you'll find all your payment methods in here. Below it, click on Remove. After you click on Remove, it will open this page. Here, click on Remove again. After you press on Remove again, it will be removed. This is how to remove payment methods from Google account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.